people. Got a pineapple growing in the UK. Yeah, what you thought we was gonna have beautiful sunshine like this, and now we're gonna be outside in the garden, fully active. Welcome to Cook on Vibe. My name is M.R. We're outside in the garden, tropical garden update. I've got some new plants today. Let me show you what I want. I have a little collection of new plants, as you can see. Now, as you can see in here, I got a new little baby. It's a pineapple. You know what I'm saying? It's a tropical garden, remember that. We've got a pineapple plant. We've got these green little things here, these red flowers here, and these yellow ones here. And basically, these are gonna be like a little Rasta Jamaican kind of effect in the garden. Not sure where we're gonna do it yet. And we're gonna plant the, what do you call it? Pineapple. Yeah, man. It's absolutely beautiful outside. And people are running around, they're saying, oh, it's too hot. It's too hot. But you know one person who is saying, I don't care if it's this hot. And it ain't me, because I don't care as well, so there's two. But this garden is saying, yes, please, thank you. You see, last night we had some thunder, so we get some rain. And when it's boiling hot again, things like this banana tree, I just absolutely love it. As you can see, the banana tree is fully active now. You know what I'm saying? And we've even got a new one down here, a new sucker that's picked up quite well and quite fast as well. These are the little other banana that I got the other day. And look at the size of these grabber plants. All these already pretty much, but I'm gonna let them get nice and big. You know what I'm saying? So banana trees and grabber is moving lovely. Over here, as you can see, that Scotch bonnet over there, it's just about to flower. I don't know why it looks like that. It seems to be growing like in a weird shape. This plant here is getting really nice and beautiful. I've got my herbs down here doing well, my parsley, my thyme. These, I want to get rid of it. I need to do a little bit of de-weeding down here. Cilantro. I realise now these are all grabber. I might have to move that because that's going to affect the kneesberry. So this morning I come out and this Trinidad perfume, oh yeah, look, the scallion. We got some scallion, we got more scallion to plant today as well. And this bloody weed, this weed thing that wraps around everything had wrapped around it. And as I was trying to get it off, as you can see, it's broke. I'm just gonna leave it. Don't know what's gonna happen, but I did get in another one. Oh yeah, I forgot to show you that. That's over here. I got another one, Trinidad perfume, but it's small. Looks like what's happened to it, the same thing, so at least we've got a chance anyway. But yeah, inside here is a little bit of de-weeding. That plant has just been ate to pieces, and that one. But our sorrel, the sorrel plant is there doing well. The two okra, they look like they're doing well. Just need to de-weed a little bit in there as well. There's a lot of de-weeding going on today, people. But yeah, and what we got over here, we got our tomatoes. I did see that started flowering earlier. Again, more de-weeding needs to be done everywhere. These are my Jamaican tomatoes. I could advise people, let's do some gardening before I show you the rest. Actually, let's finish what we're doing. Got another Scotch bonnet plant. That's the last one I got from Jamaica, you know. I'm gonna keep that up there and just keep it there. Another grabber there. Just need to put that somewhere. Don't know where that. Cherries are on the tree. Need to get up there and sort them out. Apart from that, what we got down here? We've got our callaloo. Our callaloo. That is getting along now. As I mean, need to chop up this little lemon balm a bit. Make that look a little bit better. Deweed, this thing is a menace, this thing. I need to get rid of all that. Look at this big, beautiful plant that I bought the other day that is looking nice. Settled in the ground nicely. You get me? Another banana tree down there. Doing well. I think this is a passion flower. Yeah, and I think it's kind of, I don't know where it's growing from. But that looks like a passion flower. I'm gonna just leave that in there. That little tropical section there. That needs to be de-weeded because I haven't done that the whole time. That all needs to be done today. Bay leaf tree. As you can see, the bamboo is starting to create like that bush effect that I'm looking for over here and here. You know what I mean? So wait for the leaves to grow out more on them. And we're active. So yeah, what I want to do today is all right, we're gonna plant this. We're gonna plant this and we're gonna create our little like Jamaican kind of little like flower bed kind of thing. So I'm gonna choose this area here because I don't want it anywhere around here because this is where we sit and we relax, and then this is where man cook, stand around there. You know what I mean? It's not really going to be visible after all that's growing in there. That's filled up with herbs. Don't want it kind of up that way. Kind of want it down this way so you're still visible or still in the vibes. So, and we've got a grabber that side there. So I've chose this, chopped it up a little bit, cleaned it up. I'm gonna dig out this, dig a patch, and then put the flowers in. For the red, yellow and green, you know what I'm saying? So I think the green first, put this there, the green first, and then the red, and then the yellow underneath there. Yeah, a good vibes. That is how we're gonna do it. What is this green one called here? This is called a Santolina Lemon Fizz. Okay, let's smell it. Oh my God. That smells like lemonade. Oh, wow. That smells really good, man. Lemon Fizz. It literally smells like fizzy lemonade. That's crazy. Next, people, we're going to get these beautiful red ones in. These are called Celosia plumosa. Yeah, beautiful little plants. So we go directly in here to this one. I don't want to dig up the one that I just planted. make sure they're aligned and stuff together, so that looks nice and neat all together. All right, cool. I think we should be good to get that one in there. So look. Yes, perfect. Oh, little tag off there. Nice. It was a bit of a difficulty trying to find the colours. I'm not gonna lie, but we got it. All right, it's hot out here, man. All right, cool. Let's get that. Make sure that aligns right. That one there. Yeah, perfect. All right, cool. We got our yellow in. I've just realised, people, I've done it the wrong way. It's meant to be red, gold, and green. Yeah, red, gold, and green. Jesus Christ. All right, red, gold, and green. There we go, people. Yeah. It looks nice, man. Another little vibes in the garden. Red, gold, and green. Got the colours in the garden, you see me? I am next gonna do a little bit of de-weeding around here to keep that fresh before I plant. I feel like I'm gonna put the pepper plant in here as well. Yeah, so I've de-weeded along there now, people. So I'm gonna plant this other Trinidad perfume in here. And like I say, people, yeah, you see these scallion that are growing here? It's all from these. Literally, you just dig a little hole, plonk them in, and a few weeks or a month later or so, you get scallion. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna plant these and the pepper plant in the herb section. As you can see, that's how many weeds I've dug up. So I have done this whole area here. I have de-weeded inside there. As you can see, I've de-weeded this part here as well. And finally, this part here looks way better. Sort these bricks out. Yeah. That looks much better. I just need to sweep the whole pathway now, people. But we're getting there, man. We are definitely getting there. You know what I'm saying? Have a little walk through so you can see. I can't wait till harvest time this year and see what we actually get. Yeah. I'm gonna sort out this little area, de-weed this little area next time. But all that's just gonna be grown anyway, so I might as well just leave that. The last thing we're gonna do for today is plant this pineapple and put her right there in plain sight. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, tropicalness. I love it. Pineapple, look at that, people. There's our little new bed of flowers. You know what I'm saying? We've got our new plant there. We've got our plants in the ground now. Next time, I'm going to sort out this bit over here. Let me get better light in there. And build this all needs to, next time I'm gonna trim the garden, get that table around the corner, sort that out, and build a proper stand for this coal pot. Yeah. And that is it. That is it for today's episode, people. I hope you enjoyed today's episode. Don't watch me, I'm outside in the garden, we're working. You understand, it's not always a prim and proper thing. Well, it's never really, but people, big up yourself, man. Enough respect. I'll see you next time. Fully active.